Hi, I'm Lori, and welcome to our channel.
Hey, and I'm Bill, but I'm behind the camera.
This is 12th Avenue Cuisine. So today we are making a Farinata pizza take 2. So I've already preheated my pan, and I did saute my mushrooms to reduce some of the moisture, and I added some shallots, salt, pepper, and a little thyme. So I'm going to take my cast iron pan out of the oven. This is a 12-inch cast iron pan. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this cast iron pan. Hopefully it's not too hot. Oh, it's not too hot. Actually, I might add a little bit more.
And Lori, what is the olive oil you're using?
We're using this olive oil that we got in Italy, and we've already made several orders that from Farinata. No, not Farinato.
El
El
Fontanaro
Fontanero. And they're
in Italy.
And they're an award-winning uh, olive oil company. And so I'm going to saute my vegetables. I'm just doing it right in a pan. Wow, that smells great, huh? And I'm just going to bring it to that bright green stage. I'm going to reheat my mushrooms. I'm going to bring the vegetables away from the edges. And this is my Farinata batter, and I've already seasoned it with some olive oil, salt, and a few sprigs of rosemary. And I'm going to pour this batter directly into the pan. And this recipe is from Chef John at foodwishes.com. And he's one of my favorite YouTube chefs on the internet. And he also has a blog with some great recipes. And I'm going to push this cast iron pan close to the fire. Okay. So we'll see how long it takes before it starts boiling. Well, I've already reached into the oven with my gloves, and I've turned the pan, and I can see that it's starting to set and cook around the edges. So I'm going to take it out. It's only been about 2 minutes. It's been rotated once, and I'm going to check to see how it looks and show how it is to the camera. Can you see? Ooh, it's hot. Okay, I'm going to put it back in. Well, I've looked into the oven, and I've pulled the cast iron away from the L burner closer to the opening, and it's starting to brown on top. And one of the comments I've seen from viewers are they really like the crispy edges that are on the border of the pizza or the farinata.
Well, that smells fantastic, Lori.
How long has it been, Bill? So you have the timer.
So I started at 3:47. It's 3:52 right now. So I guess that's about
Want to take a
5
look
minutes.
with the camera? Looks great. And smells even better.
So Lori, last night we maybe cut it too soon.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we'll give it a couple minutes to set like we would a pizza.
Yes, I think that's a good idea, Bill. Yes, we did discover afterwards that it sets a little.
Okay, I'm going to cover up.
What do you think?
Well, it looks fantastic. Let me get a picture for Instagram before I forget.
Okay.
And you could follow us on Instagram at 12th Avenue Cuisine. Well, you know, it'll be interesting. This looks better than last night.
Oh, definitely.
But last night the taste was fantastic. So, let me then just get one more here real quick, and we can post this up. I don't know, this is Farinata 3. Or
Farinata 3.
our second pizza, right? But third Farinata.
And Bill mentioned that he thought it was very satisfying and he didn't even need pepperoni or sausage combined with it.
Right, yeah, it was very flavorful and I didn't miss the meat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well,
Let me see if we...
do you want me to kind of hold the pan?
Oh yeah, it's setting up very nicely now.
Yeah. Again, I think if we're going to do another Farinata, we probably want to get more of a Farinata style pan. I think Stephen Harney mentioned that
He had a paella
his mom
pan.
or someone in his family had kind of a pan that might work better. So
Oh, maybe I have to let it sit even more.
yeah,
What do you
let's not rush it.
think? Okay.
We can always edit this part out. And I'm going to turn off the oven since we're...
Okay. And you could top it with a little cheese if you want.
You know, the one thing that doesn't come through in the video is the aroma, and it just smells fantastic. And we were talking last night, it's kind of like frittata, in a sense, a little bit maybe, but maybe not, because I think frittata has more eggs,
Right.
and this doesn't have
Have
eggs.
any eggs.
Yeah, so that's another...
This is only flour and chickpea flour and water, with seasoned with olive oil and some herbs, whatever herb you want to add.
Okay, do we want to try and get it out?
Yeah,
You want
let's-
me to?
Yeah, why don't you try it?
Okay, here. We'll try to go slow.
Well, you might.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Take it out?
Yeah, go ahead. Here, I'll cut some.
Okay, so we're still not there yet, so there could be
Another
a
Farinata.
Farinata Pizza 4. So let's let this just cool. And because you noticed last night towards the end of the video, it was coming out better. So we'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, well, it's it's not pretty like we wanted it.
Maybe when you add vegetables, you have to.
Yeah, hold it. Let me get this out of there. So this is very hot.
Oh.
All right. Well, it's kind of like our Neapolitan pizzas. Which we never really made a good one yet. Although we've had better luck moving to the Biga dough. So what do you think, Lori? I'm gonna taste this. I mean,
it's good.
Taste-wise, it's really nice. I almost said fantastic.
I think you've already said fantastic a couple of times.
Okay, well, we probably won't make another Farinata pizza tomorrow night, so you can. We won't overwhelm you with this. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to regroup. We're going to look for the right pan, and maybe focus a little bit more on our heat management, and see if we can't get to the right level of doneness on the bottom. And maybe we're putting in too many vegetables.
I think that might have been
so there's a lot of different things. So we're going to tweak it a little bit, and then we'll come back probably in several weeks, hopefully with what we found. And what we really want to do is to be able to lift the whole pancake with the toppings and everything right out of the skillet. So that's really what we're shooting for. But from a flavor perspective, and also from a healthier food perspective, clearly the Farinata veggie pizza that we're trying to make is a real positive in my mind. I mean, we're going to make more pizzas with regular flour and all that, but again, as Lori said, we're trying to eat a little bit healthier in 2022, but still get a lot of use out of our Ooni 16, and eventually we're going to fire our change more back up and do some wood-fired pizzas and other food items. Okay, so
my thought is next
thoughts?
time I would pre-cook I would cook the Farinata dough until it's more set, and then put the vegetables on top.
Good idea, and probably more olive oil on the bottom.
And more olive oil.
And just for the record, I did not encourage her to take it out when she took it out, so my hands are clean. So this one was all you, Lori. All right, anything else we need to say?
No.
Okay, well,
nothing at all.
All right. Well, if you like this kind of content, and we hope you do, please give it a thumbs up. As always, what do we say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
And if you're an Amazon shopper, you might want to check out some of the links that we have in the description of our recent videos. If you use one of those links to go to Amazon and purchase something, we get some affiliate marketing credit, and that helps us improve our cameras and our microphones and other things. So, if you like our content, you'll get the benefit of that process. So, all right, I think that's about it. Thank you for dropping into the channel.
And see you next time.
See you next time, and it won't be a Farinata pizza. It'll be, we promise you it'll be something else. All right. Bye.
Bye.
But still, the taste is,
yeah.